Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by launching Word on your iPad and signing in. This lets you access OneDrive and templates. Tap New Document or pick a file from Recent. This immediately loads the ribbon and context tools. Once done, connect your keyboard or enable Apple Pencil in settings so typing and annotations feel natural. I'll show why these choices speed your workflow. Templates set layout and sign-in syncs auto-save, so you don't lose edits while you proceed. You'll now edit and format with intent. Select text and use the Home ribbon to change font, size, and apply styles. This keeps headings consistent. Insert images or tables from the Insert tab. Choose from OneDrive to preserve resolution. For collaborative work, open Review to turn on track changes and add comments so others see your intent. Make sure to tap Save or rely on autosave. Connecting to cloud storage avoids version conflicts and keeps collaborators up to date. You finish by reviewing and exporting. Run, find, and replace for quick cleanups, then check accessibility and document properties so nothing is missed. When ready, tap Share to send a PDF or a Word file. Set edit permissions to control access. If something goes wrong, first check Wi-Fi and storage. If sync stalls, sign out and back in or force close Word, then reopen. It usually resolves cached conflicts. Finally, save a copy to OneDrive to preserve the final version.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.